Hello and hi everyone. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Wan Abdurrahman bin Muhammad Fauzi and my matrix number is B09191037 Today, I will present my subtopic chapter 4 from the subject Purpose of Electrical and Electronic, that is digital electronic. And I want to talk about logic gate. This is an example application of digital electronic such as IC circuit or we call integrated circuit. Look at the first picture. The circuit is called AND gate and next is OR gate and the third one is NAND gate and fourth is NOR gate and lastly is NOT gate. That is an example for this chapter. Can we know and learn? I will talk about basic of logic gate. Logic gate is the most basic type of digital circuit which consists of two or more input and one output. It has only two states, either 1 or 0, or we call a binary number. It can also be connected or linked to several other gates to form a logic network. And the basic gates are NOT, AND, OR, exclusive OR, exclusive NOR, NAND, and NOR. The number one, NOT gate or inverter. This is a symbol of NOT gate. And the Boolean equation is y equal to A inverse. So how we understand this equation? So we go through the truth table. Look at the input. We have two possibility value input. If input is 0, so the output must be 1 because the input must be inverse the value to get the output value. If we got 1 input and the output must be 0. Go to OR gate and the symbol like this. The main point of this OR gate is the output is 1 if any or all of the input are 1. So the bullet equation is F equal to A plus B. So we get more understand by the truth table. Look at the value input. We get 4 possibility value A and B. If value A and B is same and the output must be same. If value is not same, like A is 0, B 1, the output, if we sum, we get 1. If we get A and B is 1, the output is 1. Third, AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. The main point is the output is 1 only if all the input are 1. So the Boolean equation is F equal A dot B or A multiply B. So the truth table, so we get 4 possibility also the value of input. If A times B is same, so the output must be same. For example, A is 0 times B is 0, we get output is 0. If different, like A is 0, B is 1, if we multiply, we get 0. So, understand that? Now, we go through the number NOR gate. This is the symbol NOR gate. Look, they have a bubble at the output value. So the symbol also like this equal to like this. So the main point of NOR gate is the output is 1 only if all the inputs are 0. So the Boolean equation is F equal to A plus B bar. Based on truth table, we got 4 also possibility the value input. If A and B is same, we got output not same value as A and B input. For example, if A is 0 plus B is 0, if we get must be inverse the value and we get 1. If A is 1, B is 1, if we plus 2A and B, we got output is 0 because based on the equation A plus B inverse. If not same, for example A is 0, B 1, we also get output is 0. So understand that. Now we go to through number 5. NAND gate. This is the NAND gate symbol. Look, it also have a bubble of the output. So the symbol like this also get like this. So the main input is the output is 1 if any or all the inputs are 0. So the bullet of equation of NAND gate is F equal to A B bar. So we go through the truth table to understand the equation. Look, they have 4 possibility also. First, if A is 0 times B is 0, the output must be inverse the value A and B, we get 1. If we not same the value, like A is 0, B is 1, if we multiply, we get 0, right? But based on equation, A and B must be inverse, so the value must be 1. Understand? Now we go through the number 6. Exclusive OR gate. So the symbol exclusive OR gate is like this. So the main point is the output is 1 whenever the two inputs are at opposite level. So the Boolean equation of exclusive OR gate is A dot B or plus B equal to A B bar plus A bar B. So to more understand, we go through the truth table. Look, we get also 4 possibility the value of input. If A and B is same value like A0, B0, the output is also 0. Either is 1. If A is 1, B is 1, the output also 0. If different, such as A is 0, B is 0, the output we got 1. Understand that? Okay, go to the next. Number 7. Exclusive NOR gate. Look the symbol of exclusive NOR gate like this. So the main point is the output is 1 whenever the two inputs are at the same level. Remember that two inputs are at the same level. So the Boolean equation of exclusive NOR gate is F equal to A dot or plus B bar or A B plus A bar B bar. To understand, we go to the truth table. Look, we get also 4 possibility of the value input. If the value input is same like A is 0, B is 0, so the output must be 1. Also, the value of 1. If A is 1 or B is 1, we get output is 1 also. If different value like A is 0, B is 1, so we get output is 0. Okay, so if you understand, we can go through the next slide. Combination of logic gates. How do we get F equal to A plus B dot C? Look at the first step first. First, we identify what kind of logic gate. So first we get OR gate, and if we get OR gate, we must remember the Boolean equation of OR gate. So the equation is F equal A plus B. After we get the output, we must put the output from OR gate equation to the input of other gates. So the step 3 is identify the type of logic gates. So this is a AND gate. Now, if we get the AND gate, we must remember the Boolean equation of AND gate. That is F equal to A dot B or A times B. Now, the third is combine the output OR gate and input AND gate. That means for the equation AND gate, we can get output AND gate is A plus B dot C. Understand that? This is simple combination. There is a lot of more combination, like there are 3 logic gates, 4 logic gates. So you must learn more about this to others. Then lastly, I will describe about evaluating logic circuit output. Example, given A0, B1, C1, D1, and the Boolean expression as below. F equal to A bar B C A plus D bar. So what kind of question? So it want to determine the output for the expression. So I will tell you the solution. First, we must write down the A, B, C, and D value first, and then put the value A, B, and C, also D, into the equation. For example, look, if the equation want to A inverse, we must put 1 because A is 0, so the inverse 0 is 1. B, nothing, so put the original number 1. C also 1. A, nothing, so put also the original number 0, and D also 1. Okay, from that we must settle first A plus D. After we get 0 plus 1, we can get 1, and then they have a bar, right? We must inverse the value of bar, so we get 1, and after the inverse we can get 0, and then we finish this equation until we get the final value is 0. For watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, because the subscribe is very good. Okay, goodbye.